The keepers use long, smooth strokes to remove the loose winter coat.
The Bengal tiger, a symbol of raw power, stares unflinchingly.
Muscle tone and skin integrity are
Weight and identification are logged.
A worker checks the animal's condition. That
The keepers use long, smooth strokes to remove the loose winter coat, a vital part of the tiger's care.
maintaining health is the first priority.
The Bengal tiger, a symbol of raw power, stares unflinchingly at its prey. Its stripes.
muscle tone and skin integrity are recorded.
Each animal's journey is documented from start to finish.
Weight and identification are logged automatically.
The transition from life to material is a controlled, documented process.
Only perfect raw materials enter the line.
Scanners map every square inch for processing. Each hide follows a path determined by its unique qualities. The initial wash removes surface impurities. Temperature and chemical balance are precisely controlled. Mechanical pressure breaks down rigid fibers.
Flexibility determines its potential.
Prepared, it moves to the heart of transformation.
The tanning bath stabilizes the protein structure.
The enzymatic bath penetrates the cellular structure, visibly enhancing the hide's suppleness.
Time and chemistry are carefully measured. Residual agents are thoroughly removed.
The signature pattern reemerges intact.
Hydraulic pressure sets the final form.
Uniformity is measured in millimeters.
Each panel passes a final pre-finishing scan. Oils enhance durability and deepen the base color.
Gentle infrared heat cures the oil, creating a soft matte sheen. The vibrant tiger stripes remain completely untouched by the process.
Mechanical polishing achieves a flawless, consistent finish.
The human touch confirms what machines assure.
Traceability is guaranteed.
Secured for transport.
The final product awaits its journey.
Scanned, logger, and secured.
The legacy of the material is its perfection.
The system resets for the next cycle. Every parameter is recorded for consistency.
Cleanliness is protocol from start to finish. Even nature's palette is calibrated.
Precision is maintained down to the micron.
Raw materials are replenished to exact specifications.
A new cycle begins with the same discipline. The reference standard for every product made.
The process is a symphony of tracked movement.
This is where the raw becomes the refined.
A final barrier seals and protects. The coated panel enters the UV tunnel, where intense lamps flare to life, instantly hardening the clear coat for a durable finish. Where machinery ends, craftsmanship begins. No flaw is too small to be addressed.
From raw material to numbered artifact.
The journey concludes as commerce begins.
The transformation is complete.
Its destination is as precise as its creation. The cycle is perpetual, the standards unchanging. The final handoff is as secure as every prior step.
From nature's majesty, a lasting artifact is born.